Hey ladies, it's your girl Amber and welcome back to my channel. Ladies, if you're new here, I just want to say welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So ladies, tonight we're going to be making a drink called the Barbie Hangover. It's pretty good, but it's sneaky at the same time. So I just want to say, drink responsibly. You know, like, this is one of those drinks that tastes good, but it will sneak up on you. So with that being said, I want you to go and put on that outfit that make you feel beautiful and sexy, aiming me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's gonna be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're gonna need gin, Ciroc, blue Caraco, lime soda, pink sand sugar, blue sand sugar, lemon wedges, and pink lemonade. I'll be waiting. You're back and you look so good, girl. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the mood. I'm gonna light my candles. If you have any candles, whatever it is that make you feel sexy and confident and relaxed, go ahead and do so. So now that we got the mood set, let's get into this drink. So I'm gonna take my glass and I'm gonna take a lemon wedge and I'm gonna just coat the top. Put that here. Then I'm gonna use some pink sugar and coat it on one side, one half of the glass, like that. Then I'm gonna take my blue sugar and coat the other half of the glass. Doesn't that look pretty? Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some ice. Now that I have my glass filled with the ice, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pink lemonade and fill it. This is 2 ounces of pink lemonade. I'm gonna take 1.5 ounces of gin. One and a half ounces of Ciroc. One and a half ounces of lime soda. And I'm gonna top it with the blue Caraco. That looks so pretty. Then I'm gonna take a lemon wedge to garnish. And there you have it, the Barbie's Hangover. Cheers. Well, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.